Ladies and gentlemen, I'm very glad to meet you on my math channel M and A. And in this video, I would like to invite you consider the following task. Solve the equation x squared minus 7x minus 8 equals 0. As we can see, our equation is quadratic. I will show you 3 ways of how to solve it. So, the first method, we will use the discriminant formula. So, d equals b squared minus 4ac equals negative 7 to the second power minus 4 times 1 times negative 8 equals 49 plus 32 equals 81, and 81 is greater than 0. It means that our equation has 2 roots. x1 equals minus b minus square root of d over 2a equals 7 minus 9 over 2 times 1 equals negative 2 over 2, and it equals negative 1. So negative 1 is the first root of our equation. Next, x2 equals negative b plus square root of d over 2a equals 7 plus 9 over 2 times 1 equals 16 over 2 equals 8, and 8 is the second root. The second method we will use the Viet's theorem. According to Viet's theorem, we have the following: x1 plus x2 equals 7, and x1 times x2 equals negative 8. In this case, we have the following: x1 equals negative 1 and x2 equals 8, because negative 1 plus 8 equals 7 and negative 1 times 8 equals negative 8. So we got the same roots, negative 1 and 8. And finally, the third method. Let's look at negative 7x. We can write minus 7x like minus 8x plus x. Let's use it. So we have x squared minus 8x plus x minus 8 equals 0. Now let's take x out of the parentheses from the first and the second terms. That's why we have the following: x times x minus 8 plus x minus 8 equals 0. I will take x minus 8 in the parentheses too. Now I can take x minus 8 out of the parentheses and I will have the following: x minus 8 times x plus 1 equals 0. The product equals 0 when at least one of the factors equals 0. That's why we have two cases. First case, x minus 8 equals 0. And then we have x equals 8, our first root. And then second case, the second case, x plus 1 equals 0, and then x equals negative 1, our second root. And we can compare that first method we had negative 1, second method negative 1, third method negative 1. Then first method we had 8, the second method we had 8, the third method we had 8. The second and the third method are easy to use when the roots are integer. But the first method is universal. We still can easily get our roots using the discriminant formula, while the second and the third method might be difficult for this, maybe harder for this. If you like this video, press like, subscribe, leave your comments and your propositions about next topics and tasks, and I will be waiting for you in the next videos. Bye.